Now I request Dr. Ashmeet and team Jalandhar.
I request the dignitaries to come in front of the stage so that we can have this award ceremony. We'll start with the IMA National Appreciation Awards. So I call upon stage Dr. Vishab Mohan. Dr. Bishop Mohan, is he around or anybody? Dr. Rabinder Singh Sethi. Dr. Jasmine Kaur Dahiya. Dr. Jasmine Kaur Dahiya. Dr. Karamveer Goyal. Dr. K.D. Singh. Dr. Navjot Singh Dahiya. Dr. Paramjeet Singh Maan. Dr. Rajiv Sehgal. Dr. Rajinder Sharma. Dr. Rajesh Maheshwari. Dr. Rakesh Kaul. Vikku sir. Dr. Rakesh Vig. Dr. Vig. Dr. SPS Such. Dr. Tanveer Singh.
Dr. Vijay Mahajan, Dr. Nipun, Dr. Ashmeet Singh, Dr. Ganeev Singh, Dr. Kriti Sood,
Dr. Rakesh Kaul. Dr. Pankaj Paul. Dr. JP Narula. Status Healthcare.
Sir, I request Shitesh Vedji to come for the award. Sir, I want to make you aware the IMA hospital which we made, they supplied us a lot of material free of cost. And we are happy to say here today that none of our workers got infected using this.
We got representation from Khalsa Aid.
Yes, Jaspreet. Sir, the Khalsa Aid contributed to whatever we required. Any stretcher, any syringe, any injection, any patient who was poor, they gave us PPE kits were supplied free of cost. by Khalsa Aid to the center. That's why we were treating the patients on subsidized rates. Sir, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਸੈਂਕਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ ਸਮਾਨ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ
No, the next category is the Lifetime Achievement Award. I will hand over the mic to Dr. Pankaj Paul.
We are giving 2 Lifetime Achievement Award. The first is for my father, Dr. Ravi Paul. He's to be given, has been honored by Dr. Navjot Haiya. Dr. Vikram Sood, who's been his secretary and right hand throughout, to speak a few words about him.
I'm really honored to introduce my senior colleague and friend, Dr. Ravi Paul. He is a graduate and postgraduate in pediatrics from Amritsar Medical College. He probably was the first pediatrician to do MD from Amritsar Medical College. He has done a lot of work in IMA in Jalandhar since 1970. He is happily married to Mrs. Asha Paul. He is blessed with 2 daughters and son, Dr. Pankaj Paul, who is the present president of the IMA Jalandhar. It's a son and father due who have been president of IMA Jalandhar. Thank you so much.
Now I'd like to call upon Dr. V.K. Vasudeva, sir.
Dr. V.K. Vasudev, he was born in Sialkot, Pakistan and then he shifted to India when he was a couple of months old. His major schooling has been from Jalandhar and he is a postgraduate of Amritsar Medical College. He started Lajwanti Hospital in 1980. He's married to Dr. Kanchan Vasudev, who is a gynecologist. His son, Dr. Manu Vasudev, is a surgeon, and Tarun is an administrator of Lajwanti Hospital. Now we have next category of President Appreciation Awards. Dr. J.P. Narula. Dr. J.P. Narula, if he's here, or somebody else who can collect on his behalf. Dr. Tegh Bahadur Singh. Dr. Sarabjit Singh, Dr. Sodhi, Dr. Tegh Bahadur Singh, Dr. Neeraj Puri, Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Dr. J.S. Sandhu, Dr. Amrinder Singh, Dr. Kulvinder Maan, Dr. Mandeep Singh, Dr. Ranjit Singh Kalsi, Dr. Ashok Oberoi, Dr. Sukhwinder Singh Barar, Dr. Sanjeev Mittal, Dr. Rajiv Gupta, Dr. Archana Berry, Dr. Balwinder Nagpal, Dr. Amrita Rana, Dr. Major Singh Javanda, Dr. Major Singh, Dr. Jasjeet Singh Virk, Dr. Yudhishthar Chaudhary, Dr. Yudhishthar Chaudhary, Dr. Deepak Bansal, Dr. Avinash Kalia, Dr. Ranjit Singh Rai, Dr. Harish Bhardwaj, Dr. Prabjot Olak, Dr. Gaurav Garg, Dr. Shashi Paul, Dr. Abhishek Bansal, Dr. Ashish Ohri, Dr. Bhagwan Singh, Dr. Harjeet Singh, Dr. Lovepreet Singh Pavla, Dr. Gaganpreet Singh. We move on to the next category now. Best Local Branch President, Dr. Vinod Sood. Best Local Branch Secretary, Dr. Harsimran Tulli. Best Local Branch, Small, Malerkotla. Can we have the team members of Malerkotla? Best Local Branch, Big, Ludhiana. Now we have two special awards for the ladies. Best Local Branch Female President, Dr. Aparna Raj. Best Local Branch Female Secretary, Dr. Taru Kapoor. Award of Appreciation for Dr. Rajan Sharma. मान साहब
Now I request our chief guest Shri Husn Lal ji and National President Dr. Rajan Sharma to do the change of collar ceremony, please. Big congrats to Dr. Navjot Daya and Dr. K.D. Singh. Now I request Dr. K.D. Singh, newly elected President, to come forward for the acceptance speech.
Thank you very much, Dr. Maan. Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Hussenlal ji, Guest of Honor, Dr. Rajan Sharma ji, Dr. Navjot Singh, dignitaries on the dais, and my dear friends, I won't stand for a longer time between you and the lunch. Very shortly, I'll quickly go through the points. First of all, my sincere thanks and gratitude to all of you for reposing your confidence in my capability to lead this august organization. My vision in a nutshell, first is to carry out all the programs given by the National IMA to us. We could not pursue so many schemes of the center because of this COVID in this year. This pandemic played havoc. Next, my priority would be to increase the number of members by generating interest in the IMA activities and also by involving ex-in-service doctors, MSN network, junior doctors network into the fold of the IMA so that we catch them young. My dear friends, we are going to hold a national cricket tournament in Amritsar Amandeep Academy during this year. And next, we, if given permission, we will be holding Central Working Committee meeting in Punjab at Mohali somewhere in July. Then we are collaborating with the Rotary Club, and Dr. Sushma Chawla is sitting here. She is spearheading this campaign of cervical cancer vaccination in Punjab, Haryana and Himachal. Then the basic aim of IMA in promoting healthcare and education would be my top priority. And one of my demands to the government is to provide free education to the wards of corona warriors, whatever it is, medical education, engineering, or in whatever field they want to go. And lastly, I am going to project the image of the doctors on the media by engaging Fastway channel for 1 hour in a week for full year. We are in process of talks with them, and thereby we will invite topmost doctors in different fields who will deliver talks every week for 1 hour on Fastway channel. With these words, I once again thank you very much, and so nice of you having selected me. Thanks again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, President sir. Now I request Dr. Navjot Daya to say a few words.
Respected Secretary Health, Shri Hussenlal ji, newly installed President, Dr. K.D. Singh, and my mentor, my leader, and my sincere friend, Dr. Rajan Sharma ji, members on the dais and members of the dais. I tried my level best to give what I could have given in this 1 year, and I have tried to take IMA to more higher spirits. And I thank you all the sponsors, all the speakers, all the people who have helped on this PIMACON, and all branch presidents and secretaries who have helped me whole year to take IMA programs all along. I thank you all, and I now request Shri Hussenlal ji to be here, and all my past president, Dr. Amrik Singh, who are sitting here, Dr. Parmar, to honor him, and then we'll close the meeting. Please.